Hi guys, today we're going to go through some routine maintenance which involves tightening up a couple of bolts. This bolt goes straight through on the jack shaft, that holds a little sprocket on obviously. That's the 13mm bolt. So I'll put that one on there, and then around on the other side you've got this big nut that holds this pulley on the other end of the jack shaft. So that's the 24mm. So while you're holding the other side, just tighten up this one or check that it's tight. That one's pretty good. If you have to remove this nut, it's probably a good idea to put some Loctite on it, because this keyway in here actually chews out the nylon part of the nylock. So if you undo it and put it back on, it may come loose after that. The other thing we're going to check is this main nut here. So you can see it's got an old line on there. I put a mark on there and on there, just so you know where it's been tightened up to before. So this one's actually tightened slightly tighter than where it has been before. But to check that, all I do is put a 10mm on there, try and hold that and the socket with one hand, and give it a few sharp taps with the other, and that's usually pretty good for that one. And again, if you take this bolt out, it doesn't hurt to put just one drop of 222 Loctite or something like that on there. Yeah, because you don't want any of these things coming undone while you're out riding. You might get stranded. So that's all for today. Thanks guys.